Can Brightbill?
Endurance. Keep him in the air all day. First light to dusk, his feet cannot touch the ground. Understand?
I understand.
Brightbill was never supposed to get this far. You know that. It is more dangerous for him than anyone else. But he has a chance. If where his wings end, his heart can pay the balance.
His heart is 48 millimeters.
From what I've seen, Brightbill's heart is much bigger on the inside than the outside. Endurance. Then we'll talk.
What if you look your fear?